What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sorry Garage, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the turn signal bulbs on a second generation Toyota Tundra. So that'll be model years 2007 to 2021, and today we're going to be working on my dad's 2008 Toyota Tundra Crew Max. This will work on all trim levels and models. So let's get started. Alright, so step number one, you're going to open up the driver's side door and pull the hood release like this. You're going to wrap around to the front of the truck and you're going to open up the hood of the car. There's going to be a little bit of a latch right to the right of the Toyota symbol. I'll show it to you guys real quick. It looks like this. You just want to press it up and your hood will come on up. So now the turn signal bulbs on this car are very easy to replace. You're just going to want to, for the passenger side, you want to lift this up and you'll already see that wire and connector going in. That's where the bulb is on the driver's side. And on the passenger side, it should be the tallest one. You can see it right here. Same location, same little flap underneath. We're going to pull that and take it off, okay? Let's get into it. And before we dive in, I just wanted to let you know that you don't need any tools for this repair. You just need the correct size bulbs. The OEM bulb size is 4157 NA. I already tried putting some LEDs in and it didn't work because of hyper flashing. So we're just going to stick to the regular filament or halogen bulbs. Let's get into it. All right, guys, like I just said, it's going to be the very top bulb. When you pull up this flap, just go ahead and grab it and twist it towards the outside of the car. You'll hear it click, and then you can go ahead and pull it out. Here are the LED bulbs I tried replacing it with that did not work because of hyper flashing. We'll take those out, and we'll plug in our regular halogen bulb. You shouldn't touch the bulb too much. You don't want to get oils from your fingers on there. They'll overheat and kind of reduce the lifespan of the bulb, but I don't really care. Couple things. This connector has a couple fins. You can see like a very long one here, a little shorter one, and a medium-sized one here. There's going to be corresponding holes in the housing assembly. You want to line them up and then twist it the other direction to tighten it. Let me see if I can see. We're working upside down for the camera. So in it goes, and then twist to lock, and that's it. Okay guys, now we're doing the passenger side. It's a little harder because it's windshield washer assembly, but same thing, you're going to want to grab the top one, okay? You're going to twist it. I think I got it. You can loosen it, and out comes your bulb. Okay, just like before, we just want to grab it, take out our old bulb, just wiggle it back and forth to get it out, plug in our new one. All right, we're ready to go. And then just put it back into place and then twist it towards the passenger side of the vehicle to lock it in place. Again, it's going to have those locking tabs for the different sizes. So, all right guys, there you have it. Just a quick little test run. You can see no more hyper flashing and they're flashing like normal. Little word of advice, I did this with the LEDs and it appeared normal. When I put it on the hazards, test them one by one with the turn signals to really see if it's hyper flashing or not. If there's hyper flashing, there's a problem with the voltage going to the bulbs, and you either need new bulbs or you need a resistor or something. And then also those bulbs, they're kind of finicky. Sometimes they won't light up if you don't plug them in the right way. If they don't turn on or work, try taking it out one more time, taking the bulb out of the socket, twisting it 180 and putting it back in, and it should work. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully I helped you out. If I helped you out, please help me out by giving me a thumbs up down below and subscribing to the channel. With all that out of the way, I will see you all next video. Take care. Bye.